Hello everyone, this is a testing the sound, just one moment please. It's working, and just a little bit smaller here. There we go. There we go. Now then, let's. I'm gonna start a new little project here. Always on top. Clear. Full screen. Or screen perhaps. There we go. And I'll make that a little bit smaller. As we are going to. I need to show you as much of the screen as possible. Anyway, let's turn on that. I almost spilled my coffee. Anyway, it's my public HTML folder on my server. So I have this thing called stupid MVC that is a model view controller type system that I've built, and I'm going to try to build something with it. So BZR run. Oh, that was strange. Anyway, BZR stupid. Let me see. Social network. Social network. CD. Social network. First thing we have to do is open gedit here. Gedit, and we go to open index. HP. Move it out of the way. Here's make this a little bit bigger. 14. That viewable, even bigger, 16 perhaps. Anyway, I'm going to change this to my URL. Actually, let's go into here and show social network is my standard, but it says to configure my social network, and we have to do two things. So first, Gego slash and its social network. Social network there, and then we're going to go into the file browser and open this. Move that line and change this to social network, and that should be it. So let's go into here and check that everything works. Click here. No, it wrongly spelled. Perhaps it is. Oh yes, I forgot. This is I just save this. Whoops. Come on. So it's removing all this, leaving it as .htaccess. There we go. Now it should work. And it works. Hello, Alice. So if we enter anything there, hello, it sort of works. So now we have to also, if you are using characters that ain't real characters, it actually converts them in there. Anyway, so right. Hello, Bob. Now we're going to go into here. Application, commons, views, controllers. Hello, 404, my 404 controller. If I type in anything that isn't a real, you are kicked out. The problem is that the way I did it with welcome is that you actually get kicked back to the welcome thingy when you basically if the method does not exist. Now then, welcome controller. This here's the get methods. Get methods is used to get the methods that are to be used, and you can even hello again. You can even, if I do hello again, you get you basically use the same function, so it just points to different place. Where welcome extends the abstract controller. So let's actually make a new controller, a new file. I'm going to call that. Oh, what should I call that? Need to figure out the way I need to design this. I want to have the ability to view posts and do posts. So and I need and I probably need some way of having sub forums. So let's make a forum. Is that the way? Spell forum. Forum. Yeah, it probably is. No, actually, section. PHP. Open that. Going to this PHP. Come on. Did it just hang? Yes, it did. How do you do that? Right. I can open it up again. That was strange. PHP, and we are going to, in this control, we're going to have a class section extends abstract controller. And we are going to check that this actually works. So into here, going to welcome. Yes, I need to import this controller now. So, router, register. Controller section. Error on line 2. Oh yes, I forgot to turn this off. There you go. Register controller. Define router section. Oh, I spelled that wrongly. Yes, I did. And now then, requires abstract methods, so we have to get methods. There are two methods we have to create. First is function. Function get methods and function. Oh, come on. Function. Not my day to day. Function default method, and this takes an argument. You have all methods have all MVC methods in stupid MVC has to take some sort of data. So it's I think I call it an args. You can call it what you want. It's basically you get a list of arguments, and you can show that if you look in the welcome controller here. Hello here takes args, and if the arg count is less than 1, a few arguments. But if it's bigger than 2, or bigger than 1, it says hello, then arg 0. So it takes the args from the argument list. I can start, and now then. Hello, Alice. Look at this. That's the method, and that's the argument. First argument. Then each argument after that. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about that later. So, default method, we're going to do this. Load view. I think did I do load view of load view raw? Load view raw. Yes, and this. Yes, I can have data. I need a way to. That reminds me, I need some sort of central storage for everything. So let's create that. File. I haven't actually. The default the way the models work is that they just classes. You can do what you want with them. So this is, I think that this is going to be some sort of global object that you can use everywhere. So you don't instantiate more than one method of it. So yeah, common config dot php. Oops, name if cfg. Yeah, why not call it that? We're going to open that. We're going to have a class I think I have cfg extends abstract model. I haven't there is no there's no methods that you have to implement for these classes, so it's you can basically just, you don't have to extend the abstract model here. I'm going to do that anyway. So we're going to have a we're going to have in the we're going to have a object that we need to, let's see if we can do that. PHP singleton class singleton private second instance get instance and constructor and we protect that and we get instance instead. So basically gonna copy all this. Basically, no, that's not actually that hard. So private static instance equals to thing. That's null. Oops. That's a null value. So public static function. Actually, can't I do that in constructor? Let's see if there's any other way to do that. I don't really like that get instance. So clone. I just want to get a constructor to return a new. There's no way of really. I thought I could do. Let's do this anyway. Get instance. If this instance equals to null, we what do we do then? Oh, it's a private constructor, of course. Private function construct and do nothing right now. So we do this instance equals to a new fe config, and we do this for copy and all that too. Function copy private function. Oh, what was it? Private function to copy construct clone. No, clone. Oh, clone. Clone and wake up. Here we go, and then we return this. Oh yes, we have to do this. Do return colon style like that. Param. Ish. It'd be like this. Change. Well, see if this works now. F5. Unexpected. Wah. In sections line 16. What section? Oh. Node view. Header. And no, that's load view raw header. Raw. Load view raw. Oops. Footer.php, of course. Because you can load anything with that. There we go, still works. Now we're going to do a default method function. Click function. public function load setup, and we're going to do this. Private function, private CFG, private config. No, let's just do that. Right. So when we call this method, we have to load the config. So it's this. What is it? Load model. Load model, and the model was called CG. That should be that, and say this if d equals to that, and I can do setup like that. The get methods, I don't have any special methods right now. So we return empty, one of those. Oops, that's my other web browser. Right. It's not found. Section pause. And just check my select elements. DOM tree is actually there. Title is empty because I haven't given it anything. Any data. And I give it config. We have a public function get this EFG configuration, and it just returns a right now not getting any special here. I'm gonna return a list where we bind different values to different things. So this is going to be site name. Site name is going to be bound to, oops, site name is like this, of course. What am I doing? Site name is bound to social network. That should be it for now. Section, actually let's load model, and then get data config. What was that correct? CFG. Get CFG. Hold it rather. Right. That. Go. This still works. No, it doesn't. Unexpected in line 21. Oh, there we go. This is C3. And the header. Go to header now. Use. Excuse me. Header. We're going to here. Site name. And we're going to do that. We get a site name? No, didn't. And strange. Let's do a var dump. Var dumping that data. Null. I'm in section. Yes, I'm in section. Let's go into section again then. Section. Oh, I forgot to. This load setup. There we go. Built open stream. Models space. PH. Why is that? Is this something I did down? Load model. Let's check that. Oh, an error. Line 14. Oh, I'm missing one of those. Next level must be public. Oh, I forgot that I can't do new on those. I need to get instance. Oh, bugger me. So let's actually copy all of this over to. I'm going to go up a bit. I don't forget this. Abstract model. Do this. This. Get instance. So that has to be an abstract function. Public abstract static function. No. Can I do that? I have to get instance. I think you can do that static. Let's now go back to our project. Social network. Abstract model and paste. Move that. Abstract static function. We go. Now we need to go into code control. So instead of doing a new model, we do equals model dot colon get instance. That's what you have to do. Right. Not be abstract in static function. I want to have. I want the user to have to. Actually, I could do. I mean, it's not. Oh yeah, it's. I'm calling. No, it's get instance. What if function would not be? Abstract. But why? Why shouldn't that be abstract? I want it to be abstract. Uh, what the hell? Oh, sections. Section. Social network. There we go. And very interesting. So that means I can get that in. So I could do this, of course. Get instance. Static instance. But how did things is? Oh. And in how do they do that? I want to do that in CodeIgniter. PHP, PHP, abstract. Oh God. What is static? Protected static factory. If self. Oh, I need. Self. New self, of course. New class. Class is get class. Oh, that's nifty. Actually, I'm gonna copy that wholesale. I'd have to do that myself. Paste. And gonna be instance. Instance turn. Instance. That means I should now be able to remove that from. What? Oh, was in the room. Model. Remove this. That. Those. And those. No. Implicit. Get instance. Oh, I need to remove that from abstract model. Correct. One. That is abstract model get instance. How's it going on? Whoops. Bum bum. There we go. Remove. Cannot get properties if the instance. Oh, I need to make it protected. Protected. Yes. There we go. So now I can now have an abstract. So that should actually. Why don't I have you can make a class that has the abstract abstract they're called abstract singleton or something like that. That would be much nicer because this is now just a abstract singleton. Let's copy this. Shove it up into fool around with this a bit later. Commit that up to the main. Mainy. Right. Console. No. Layers. Anyway, I'll need to echo that in my view. User data, don't need you. Now then. So I can really do this is gonna get site name, and the site name will be followed by user data. Oh yes, I need to pass the user data of the current section you are in too. I just can't. Yeah, I know what to do now. So it's CFG, yeah, CFG, and then I get site name there, config, no, folders, section, CFG, pass FG as a member of a CFG binds to this CFG, comma, what do I call it? The hot, no, section, page perhaps. Let's call it page because you can change it to anything you want later. So section page gonna bind to now done. 22. Whoops. Affected. Header line 8. The line 8. No. What's going on? Oh, I need that, of course. Oh dear. Oh, what's wrong with that? Zoom in here. Do a far dump of user data. Oh, CGF instead of CFG. Whoa. Explains a few things. G G section network and sections apps. Now I can load a special view that that contains other things. How long have I been streaming for? Almost an hour. Let's create another view. New file. Section view .php. And to that we're going to pass basically the section information. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm just going to make sure that I instantiate the HP. I can instantiate it, so it's public class section view and abstract view. Let's have a look at the abstract view. It has two functions, a render function and a construct function. Really, render function view public function render user data. There I can render stuff. I can actually do like this. Like this, so I can write just HTML in here. So h1 hello. In section we load that. Load view. It's section view. I'm gonna pass in this yeah, let's do that. Oh, actually, let's actually move this out. What? I'm going to do this instead. This dash data equals 2. I'm just gonna wing this private And in this section view, we are going to have so that's the way I can set my set the different parameters and stuff like that. So just if this works, oops, works. No, it doesn't. Location. Why is it stripped it of my? Oh yes. Gego. Home Gego line 21. 43. And view. Name. HP. Why isn't that? Failed to open stream, no such file directory. Abstract. Let's look at abstract controller. Why is it not working? I am confused. I am confused. Oh, views. Should be view. Notice views. Up there. Views. Oh, I forgot one something. View. Yes. Nope. Social network views section view dot. Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong place. So let's just do public HTML application on build that welcome view. No, that's what models. Stupid. No, so social network application models. Wrong place. Whoops. Unexpected public in 5. Line 3. Section view. Oops. Hello. How we do that. Right. So now I've been streaming for, let's see, a little bit over an hour. Let's see if I can. I need to redo lots of this. Print usage. So, what was the blue? Something's missing. Oh, welcome view. Oh, sorry. It was something else. My welcome view. My welcome view. Hello. I can do that and remove that and remove that. And one dash h1. Get user data. Yeah. CFG. Oh, dot. CFG. Right name. Well, oh, come on. Welcome. In my welcome controller, I'm going to do basically what I did in section controller. So load setup and remove this. Need it right now. Load footer. If R count, I don't care about R count. I don't need that. Default. Added data. This data. Let's see. Welcome. What is wrong? Oh, I forgot to this. Load setup. And we got errors. Missing one argument. On what? Load view. Or not load view. I need to load setup. Can I do? Welcome. And there we go. Social network. Welcome. I can actually. There's no those sections. That's not correct. We're going to welcome. There we go. What was that? What? That's we need in sections. We have to create different methods for different things. But what should I do? I really And when I go to like welcome view, welcome B paragraph here. Welcome to site name. This is going to be an awesome social network. Social network. Welcome to the social network. I'm going to change the name later. Click on href. Actually, we need to put because I really need the model. The way I'm doing is models now. Change. Oh, screw it. Can go on. Awesome. Href equals 2. But parentheses. URL. Next. Base URL is big. Base URL. What is happening here? Right there. Sections -A. Why is that? Why is that like that? Oh. There we go. Sections to you. Oops. Hello. So that sort of works. I need so this I have to go now. So anyway, thanks for watching everyone. See you when I see you. Has gotten somewhere on this page. Anyway, bye.